BMW G310R best first motorcycle for beginners. The allure of motorcycling lies in the promise of adventure, freedom, and the unique thrill of the open road. For beginners venturing into this captivating realm, the choice of their first motorcycle is a pivotal moment. The BMW G310R, with its blend of accessible power, modern design, and rider-friendly features, stands out as an exceptional choice for novice riders. With its balanced performance, contemporary aesthetics, and learner-friendly attributes, the G310R offers an ideal platform for beginners to embark on a journey of skill development, excitement, and exploration. Balanced performance and approachable power. The heart of the BMW G310R beats with a refined 313cc single-cylinder engine that delivers a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine's responsive performance allows beginners to experience the joy of riding with confidence, making it an excellent choice for those new to motorcycling. Modern design and sleek aesthetics. The G310R boasts a modern and sleek design that reflects BMW's commitment to contemporary aesthetics. Its clean lines, dynamic form, and signature styling elements embody the modern aesthetics that resonate with riders seeking both performance and style. Novice riders not only experience the thrill of riding but also embrace the contemporary spirit that defines the G310R. Comfortable ergonomics and rider-focused design. The G310R is thoughtfully designed to provide rider comfort during both short commutes and extended rides. The upright riding position, well-positioned handlebars, and foot pegs contribute to an ergonomic setup that enhances the overall riding experience. Agile handling and maneuverability. The BMW G310R is known for its agile handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its lightweight chassis and responsive characteristics empower riders to confidently navigate city streets, sharp turns, and varying road conditions. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety is a priority, especially for beginner riders. The G310R is equipped with features like optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. These safety features instill confidence in beginners as they learn to master the motorcycle's performance. Urban commuting and adventure readiness. The G310R's versatility extends beyond urban commutes. Novice riders can easily transition between city rides and exploring winding roads, all while enjoying the motorcycle's adaptable and enjoyable performance. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the BMW brand create a welcoming community that embraces beginners. Joining this community offers novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for riding in the G310R's rider-centric attributes. Skill growth and riding mastery. The BMW G310R encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the motorcycle's capabilities, refine their riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of motorcycling. Long-term riding satisfaction. The BMW G310R isn't just a starting point, it's a companion for the rider's journey ahead. Its adaptable performance, modern design, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the G310R as they evolve from novices to experienced motorcyclists. Conclusion. The BMW G310R exemplifies BMW's dedication to delivering an accessible and modern introduction to the world of motorcycling for beginners. With its balanced performance, contemporary design, and commitment to rider comfort and safety, the G310R provides an immersive gateway to the joy of riding. By choosing a BMW G310R, novice riders embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for the road and the exhilaration of experiencing the world on two wheels.